Hey, my name is Grant, and here's Kramer. Don't know why he's here, but anyways, I'm going to do a one solve, not an average of 5 or any of that stuff. And please go away. And you know, mini puzzle collection review thingy. Anyways, so if he could get out of the way, it'd be easier to solve.
He's gonna burn himself,
You're gonna burn your tail.
Get him out of there. I think this is a fail.
Okay, so yeah, so scramble up. After that incident, he knocked down my gum, so we had to get him out of this video. Okay, can you get him out? I'll just video him.
Oh no, you get him out.
I don't know how to remove a cat from a desk. No, don't bring her. Okay, now move away, you beast. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to solve this. Roughly. 3, 2, 1. And if you notice, I'm not using inspection time because awesome people don't use inspection time, and I'm awesome. Okay, that was not supposed to be in the video, but who cares? So make it more better. And Kramer, please get out of here, because I really don't want you here. You're like a ghost that you don't know about in this house. Okay, I wish you can get out of here right now. Almost done with yellow. And no. Okay, almost get my foot back. Okay, 90 seconds. Well, I'm gonna blame it on him. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, and yeah, the mini puzzle review. So hand me the camera. So here's my 3x3, my second 3x3. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, you can. 4x4. Almost all of them for DL Extreme, like I said. Gear Cube, DL Extreme. That thing, I don't know, it's called Puzzle. I have no idea where I got it. Siamese Cube, made it myself. 2x2s, can't really see it. Oh, it's falling apart. Oh, that was one I broke-ish. Rubik Snake, Parody Cube. See, this thing is just weird because this one looks like just like a cross cube, but these aren't crosses, but it actually gets parody like a 4x4 right here, and it, well, one edge gets flipped every once in a while. Yeah, 2x2s, Mega Minx, and square one, and that thing that I'm working on called, I forget what it's called, but Okibok DJ, and, yeah, and that's my, speed cube for now, and I'm getting a mini Dianching and a new type, I think type 4 or 5, I'm not sure, type A 4 or 5, speed cube with those like little tabs that prevent popping. So yeah, if I get 1,000 views on this video, then I might post a tutorial, and that will be good. So please comment, rate, and subscribe, and 3, 2, 1, bye.